Launching a website? One of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right type of web hosting. Make the wrong choice, and your website may suffer from slow speeds, security issues, or unexpected costs. In this video, we'll break down and compare the three main types of web hosting: shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. Each option comes with different levels of performance, control, and price. So, let's find out which one is right for your website. Shared hosting is the most affordable and beginner-friendly hosting option. With shared hosting, your website lives on the same physical server as many other websites. That means you share resources like CPU, RAM, and storage with others. Benefits of shared hosting: low cost, easy to use, no technical knowledge required. Hosting provider handles maintenance. Warning: downsides: slower performance during high traffic, limited customization, higher security risks due to shared environment, no control over server configuration. What is VPS hosting? VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. Think of it as an upgrade from shared hosting. Instead of sharing everything, you get a private space on the same physical server, like having your own condo unit inside a building. Hammer and wrench: how it works. VPS hosting uses virtualization technology to divide a server into separate sections. Each one has its own allocated resources like RAM and CPU, so your site performs more consistently and securely. Benefits of VPS hosting: better speed and performance, more control and customization, greater security, scalable resources, root access in most cases. More expensive than shared hosting, requires technical knowledge, can still have occasional performance dips. Dedicated hosting is the most powerful hosting option. You rent an entire physical server exclusively for your website. No sharing, just pure performance and control. Hammer and wrench: how it works. You get to customize everything from your operating system and software to security settings and server structure. It's the top-tier solution for large websites, enterprise apps, or high-traffic platforms. Benefits of dedicated hosting: maximum performance and speed, full server control, highest level of security, reliable uptime even during traffic spikes, enterprise-level support and scalability. High cost: starts around $70 per month, requires server management experience. More hands-on responsibility, less flexible than cloud hosting. Hardware failures can cause outages. Side-by-side comparison: shared versus VPS versus dedicated. Which hosting is best for you? If you're just starting a blog or personal site, shared hosting is your best bet. If your site is growing, you need more speed or security, go with VPS hosting. Running a high-traffic online store or resource-heavy application? You need the power of dedicated hosting. Choosing the wrong hosting can slow down your site, cause security issues, and even cost you more long-term. But choosing the right one gives your website the strong foundation it needs to grow, stay secure, and perform well. For more information, please visit our website, www.hostzonic.com. We're here to help you find the perfect hosting solution.